Look at the birdies. Trying to get a good capture of them. The birdies. Cute little babies. Can't go outside or else they'll fly away. They're eating the seeds. Yeah, babies. I think they're on the ground too. Nope. There they go. I think that one's a male right there. See that one right there? The one with the more darker spots is a male probably, and those other ones are females. See, there's a male, he just flew up there. Boy, they're aggressive. Look at him. He's flapping his little wings. He's like, that's my food, I want to eat it. It's cute. All right.